Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, we will talk about hidden childhood pain. Some people look calm outside, but inside, they still feel unsafe. Many people believe childhood pain disappears with time. Is that really true?
No. Some pain becomes quiet instead. The body remembers painful experiences. A trauma doctor named Bessel Kolk studied this deeply. He said painful memories can stay inside the body for many years. Many adults work hard every day. They smile politely, they answer messages quickly, but they never feel fully safe.
Even when nothing dangerous is happening?
Yes, because danger once became normal, especially during childhood. A child expert named John Bowlby noticed something heartbreaking. Children often blame themselves for adult problems. Parents fight loudly. The child thinks, "This is my fault." Slowly, the child loses emotional safety. The child watches every sound carefully. Every mood becomes important. The child learns to survive too early. Imagine one small child at night. The clock says 2 a.m. The parents are fighting downstairs. The child cannot sleep. Every footstep feels dangerous. Years later, that child becomes an adult, but the body still remembers that fear. That is why some adults panic easily. That is why silence feels uncomfortable. That is why rest feels unsafe.
So this is not weakness.
Correct. The body learned fear too early.
Then why do some adults struggle with relationships?
Because childhood teaches emotional roles. Some children learn love through fear. Some children learn attention through anxiety. Some children learn safety through silence. So, healthy relationships feel strange later. Calm people feel boring. Gentle people feel suspicious. Kindness feels dangerous.
That sounds very painful.
It is. Many people think they have bad personalities, but often they are deeply afraid inside. One woman once shared this story with me. Her husband never shouted at her. He never hurt her physically, but every time he became quiet, she panicked.
Why did silence scare her so much?
Because her father became silent before exploding with anger, so silence became a danger signal inside her body. Childhood pain often hides inside ordinary moments. A smell, a sound, a quiet family scene. Then suddenly, sadness appears.
Even after many years?
Yes, because the body remembers what the mind tried to bury. One evening, I sat inside a subway train. Everyone looked tired after work. Nobody spoke. Then I noticed a small child. The child was sleeping deeply. His head rested safely on his mother's shoulder. The mother held him very gently. I could not stop looking at them. Suddenly, my chest felt heavy. I felt sadness without warning.
Why did that moment affect you so deeply?
Because some people never felt that safe before. The body quickly notices missing love. Many people think trauma only means violence, but that is not always true. Being ignored hurts deeply. Imagine one child saying, "Look at me," but nobody answers. That moment repeats for many years. Slowly, the child stops expressing emotions. Later, people call that child independent, but often the child simply gave up asking for care.
Then what happens during adulthood?
Many things happen. Some people try to become perfect. Some try to make everyone happy. Some avoid relationships completely. Some stay busy every second. Because quiet moments feel dangerous. Then old feelings slowly return.
Is that why some people hate weekends?
Exactly. Quiet can become emotionally loud. There's an old teaching. What we avoid often returns later. Childhood pain waits quietly inside us.
Then how can healing begin?
First, stop attacking yourself. Many wounded people feel ashamed of their reactions. They say, "Why am I still like this?" But shame blocks healing. Healing starts with honesty. This pain still lives inside me. That moment matters deeply. Bessel van der Kolk also explained something important. Giving simple names to feelings can calm the body.
So simple words can help healing?
Very much. Many people never learned emotional words. They only learned survival. So tonight, try one small exercise. Sit quietly for 5 minutes, then ask yourself one question. What am I feeling right now? Do not judge the answer. Just notice it gently. That is already healing.
That sounds simple.
Healing often starts with small actions, not dramatic changes. Small, safe moments matter greatly.
What kind of safe moments?
Choice. Healthy childhood gives small choices. Painful childhood often removes them. One trauma therapist once asked a patient one question: "Where would you like to sit?" The patient froze completely. Nobody asked that before. Then the therapist asked another question: "Am I sitting too close? Would you like more space?" Those questions sound small, but they teach something powerful. Your feelings matter. Your comfort matters. You are safe now.
So healing is not only understanding pain.
Correct. Healing means feeling safe again. Many wounded people only know two emotional states: control or giving up. They never learned healthy connection. That is why safe people feel confusing at first. Safe people ask questions. Safe people wait patiently. Safe people respect personal space.
Then relationships can slowly heal old wounds.
Yes, healthy relationships can slowly teach safety again. But healing also needs kindness toward yourself. Researcher Kristen Neff studied this deeply. She found that people heal faster when they stop hating themselves. Many wounded people speak cruelly to themselves. They say, "I am broken. I will never change." But survival is not weakness. Your mind protected you the best it could.
Then people are not hopeless?
Never. Human beings can grow after pain. Sometimes pain creates deep wisdom. Some people become kinder because they suffer deeply. Some notice lonely people immediately. Some become warm parents. Pain can become a deep care for others, but only when people face it honestly.
That changes how I see wounded people.
Many difficult people are actually frightened people. Many angry people are deeply hurt people. Many cold people once felt abandoned. But even in the darkest situations, people can still choose. Viktor Frankl wrote something powerful after surviving a prison camp. He believed humans can still find meaning during suffering. Even small choices protect the human spirit.
So healing starts with small choices.
Choosing rest, choosing honesty, choosing safe relationships.
Then what is the biggest mistake people make?
waiting for a perfect past. Healing does not erase pain completely. Healing builds safety beside the pain. One peaceful conversation matters. One safe friendship matters. One honest tear matters. Small moments slowly change people.
That feels hopeful.
Because it is hopeful. Human beings are deeply wounded. Human beings can also change and grow. You do not need a perfect childhood. You need enough safety to grow again.
Then what should someone remember tonight?
Remember this sentence. Your past may stay with you, but it does not own you. A hurt child can still build a peaceful life, slowly, carefully, one safe moment at a time.
I want to remember that sentence too.
Many people survive childhood, but later they must learn how to live peacefully. That learning takes patience, but it is possible.
Before we finish, we want to ask you something. What was one small moment that made you feel safe? Maybe a person, maybe a place, maybe only one sentence. Please share it in the comments. In our next video, we will discuss another difficult topic. Why do some people feel uncomfortable around kind people? That topic may surprise you. Please subscribe and like the video if today's talk helped you. Our membership also includes a study PDF for each episode.
Many viewers say the PDF helps their English greatly.
Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.